Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at binary addition, but before we start can I ask that you click on the like and subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. I have also attached a worksheet for you to practice after you've watched the video, so please make sure that you click on the link below. Right, so let's make a start. With binary addition, it's a topic that appears in the A-level paper that doesn't carry a huge number of marks, but you do need to understand how to do it. Probably about 2 marks at the most for a simple binary addition question. It did appear in the 2025 paper, so it's just something that you want to make sure that you get right because it is an easy, guaranteed set of marks. Right, so we're going to begin with looking at this key that I have presented here for you. Now, addition, whether it's binary or denary, works in a very similar way. So we're just going to make sure that we understand that. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now, remember, we're working with base 2. So if we equal 2 or above, then we need to carry. Just like with denary, if your answer is above 9, or in other words, equal to 10, base 10, if it's equal to 10 or above, then you would carry into the next column. Same thing with base 2. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Now that looks like a 10, I know, but when you convert that into binary, 2 would look like this. I mean, obviously I could put the zeros there, but 2 is like this. You've got the 0 and you're carrying the 1. So let's make a start with our binary addition. We start from the least significant bit, 0 and the 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. We know that from this. 0 plus 1 is 1 again. 1 plus 1 is 2. So that would be 0 in the first column, and the 1 is carried. You can place that at the bottom or at the top, it doesn't really matter. Now we've got 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now that's 3. So what would 3 look like in binary? Well, that shouldn't be too difficult. So let's have a look. So we've got our columns, 1, 2, we don't need the 4 and 8, but we'll just put that in. 3, if you were representing 3, that would look like this. So all we do is put a 1 in the first column, this one here, and then the next one goes here. So you've got 1 and the 1. Okay, so that's 3. So now don't forget that one there. 0 plus 0 plus 1, as you know, is 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2, so that's 0, carry the 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 0 is 1. Now our answer is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And we've got 3 carries there. So you would need to give your answer exactly like this. What you don't want to do is convert each of these binary, 8-bit binary numbers into the denary value, do the addition in your head, and then plug it in, because that way you're not going to have any carries. Okay? So let's practice this again. Okay. Right, here we go. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. As you remember, that's 0. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 again. So 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 0, carry the 1. Here we've got 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So as I said to you before, it's 1, carry the 1. Here we've got 1 plus 1 is 2. 0, carry the 1. Now this is really important. You need to circle that. We've got an extra bit. Instead of the 8 bits, we've got 9 bits. Now that means that we need to indicate that this is an overflow. That's all you need to do. And that will give you your 2 marks or maximum 3 marks. Indicate the overflow, give the answer, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carries. Okay, that needs to be very, very clear for maximum marks. Right, we're going to have a go at one more. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2, so that's 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 2, 0, carry the 1. Here we've got 1 plus 1 plus 1, so we know that that's 3, so that's 1, carry the 1. Again we've got 3, so that's 1, carry the 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, so that's 0, carry the 1. Now don't forget, you circle it and state that that is your overflow. Okay, right, I think that that's it for binary addition for today. We will be going on to binary subtraction, but that is, that's basically very straightforward. And again, I'd reiterate, stick with the rules, always show your carries, always indicate the overflow, and you'll maximize the number of marks that you achieve.